Sometimes going up or down the mountain is like a waterfall. Well, here I am. It's another day. I'm out of quarantine and I'm about to go somewhere and visit somebody I haven't seen since March, and the person is very important to me, so I've got a long walk ahead of me. And you have a look up there, and then there's more, but it's really a long way up. Okay, I'm halfway. It's a long walk, so I've come all the way up the path and around a bend. And there's a house there now which wasn't there the last time I visited. I'm exhausted. I'm heading over there, but I've still got to trace all the way up the hill and around into the valley. It's a really long walk. It's hard. My bag, it's full of gifts and kind of heavy. God, I'm already sweaty, and I haven't walked up this hill for many months due to being stuck in Australia with the COVID pandemic and nobody allowed to fly, go anywhere. So I'm not used to walking up here anymore, but I know it's going to be worth it. Nothing is always the way you want it to be, which is fine. I'm going to be staying here in the mountains, just for to show you a few photos around of the place, and there's a few things I want to do. There's a couple of places I haven't been, which I've been meaning to go to for such a long time, and I'll do that and share that with you. And yeah, I've got a few scenic shots that I'm going to share with later on, and hopefully get some recordings from a few really good vantage points to show you what it's like here in the mountain. Sometimes going up or down the mountain is like a waterfall. Actually, the water runs there, but as you can see, and it goes up a long way, runs down a long way. If it was an actual waterfall, it would be one of the longest in the Philippines. But we just walk through it the whole time. When it rains, we have to, and it's kind of refreshing and cleans your feet anyway. These are some of the amazing butterflies we get here in the mountain. Absolutely amazing. One of the pleasures of being here is seeing these. Sometimes things change. Like I put in one of the earlier parts of this video, expect the unexpected. The unexpected happened, and today is my last day in the mountain. It's early. I'm going to move on to somewhere else. I could get upset about it, depressed. I've dealt with issues like that in my life, but I'm just looking to move forward and start a new journey and new adventures. I'm really excited about that. So that's the goal for now. I'm just going to pack the last little bit, get myself ready. But before I leave the mountain, there's one place I'd like to show you all, and I think it's just one of the best places here. I've never been there, and I've always been meaning to go over the last few years, and finally I'm going to go there. So I hope you enjoy seeing that. Today I decided to walk up those stairs to the top just to give you a view of what it's like here and how amazing it is. Oh, I'm totally exhausted because it's such a long walk, but now you'll see why it's worth it. Look at that. That's the city of Cebu in the background. I'm up almost the top of the mountains here. There's a few peaks a little bit higher in the valley that we are, but this is just an amazing spot. And you know, getting up here is a long hike, and I'll just sit here maybe for an hour and enjoy the view, because it's just amazing. And if you have any stresses, any problems, this is a great spot to come to and just get away from it all and enjoy being alone. Don't know if being alone is a good thing, but if you want to be alone, this is the spot to be. Absolutely amazing.